Hi everyone, it's Lloyd from Mass Optimizer. So I want to take you through a quick update to the Google questions and answer tool that we have. The notable difference is the ability now to include a list of questions or keywords as the text highlights here. So what we do is we will prepare a list of questions like this. You can have an unlimited amount of questions, and the software will search Google Q&A for the first question. It will return the number of questions and answers that you've entered into the software. It'll save the output files into a folder named the same as the question being searched for, and then it'll complete, and then it'll go into the second question. It'll loop through the same process, and then again for the third question, and for the fourth, fifth, sixth, depending on how many questions that you have. So I'm going to save this. Click on save, go to my results folder. I will delete the existing. The file for the questions needs to be closed before attaching it to the software. So click on File, Plumber Questions, click OK. Now again, I am using google.co.uk because that's my local country specific search engine. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to request 10 answers. Again, for the purpose of the video, I'm going to add in a URL. Excuse me. Going to add in a URL. Now, when we add in a URL into this input box, the modified HTML file and the PDF file will be created. So the software will look as if it is not doing anything, but allow the software to continue until it's completed the full process of your full list. So with that said, we've got 3 questions in our plumber questions. We're using .co.uk as our search engine, as I'm based in the UK. We can enter in any number of questions, any number of answers to return here. If you put in 30 questions and answers to return, the software will take that much longer creating the modified HTML file and the PDF file. So for the purpose of the video, I'm going to enter in 10 and then click on Run. You must have Google Chrome installed, and you must also have a version of Excel, whether that be Microsoft Excel or Open Office Sheets. As you can see, the software, as you can see, the software has searched for the search question. It searched for the first question. Let's open the So once this finishes, there we go. Now what's happening in the background is, because we've entered a website address, it's creating the modified HTML file and the PDF file. So that would have been created now with the software going through the second search. As you can see, the the software has created the CSV output file, it's created the HTML file, it's created the HTML modified file, it's also created the PDF file, and it's also created the schema file. So it looks like that we're on to our third question now. That's the second question, how to repair a flat roof. Again, schema file, PDF, modified, standard HTML, standard CSV output file. So once this is finished, we should get a folder created called how to repair a flat roof leak. There we go. And what's happening is the HTML modified file and the PDF file. It's the PDF file that actually takes the time being created. So once the software, you know if the software is still running because the play button is actually grayed out. We should be notified of when the software is finished. Yeah. Okay, so the software has finished. As you can see now, it's created the PDF file. It's also created the FAQ, the Q&A schema file as well. The notification process completed successfully. Saved answers to your desktop Q&A results labeled by question, which basically means the output files will now be within a folder named each question. It's just easier that we can. It's just easier so we can identify when we're working back. So any questions, guys? Let me know in support on Facebook or within the Skype group. Thanks everyone.